Okay, so it's about 5 days after the procedure, and I thought I'd give you a little status update. Um, first couple of days, it was pretty tender, but nothing that I would consider to be worse than expected. The pain meds and all the post-op advice is right on point. It's exactly what you need, and I actually slept pretty well, considering that I was probably, of all the things post-op, I was probably least looking forward to. The sleeping at a 45-degree angle was probably up there at the top of the list, but surprisingly enough, I think maybe just being tired from the whole day and just being so relieved and happy with the outcome, I ended up sleeping really well. I did the recliner the first 2 nights, and then moved to the bed where I propped myself up with some bigger pillows and the neck pillow to sort of make sure that my head wasn't touching anything. And I just chilled at home, and it was very, very easy to do. As you can see now, you can probably see if I gently pull my hair back. This is what I've got now after 5 days. So you can see that some of the scabbing is slowly starting to go. I've been using the spray on the front and the foam on the back, and the vitamin E oil on the back. Now most of the numbness is gone. Most of the tenderness is gone. I can do this sort of stuff with my eyebrows again now and not feel like my skin's gonna rip off. So far so good.